Hello, I am Taiba Tie-Dye. Today we review everything's in the ILAVIE 20-bar espresso machine. Let's get started. Look at that. Nice stainless steel in the front. You got a lock and unlock for when you put this in. Well, off switch. You got some tips for your first use here. You've got a nice big reservoir on the back. You've got probably a 2-foot cable to plug it in, but a very, very nice machine. And this does come out, tape down. So this comes out so you can clean it, please remove it, and throw away silicone plug at the tank bottom before first use. All right. Yeah, there's your tank. Hold your water. Of course, it just slides right on. This doesn't move or anything. Everything else is controlled either by this, or what you put in here. So, and then there's just 3 buttons. So that is essentially everything that comes inside of this espresso coffee machine. The machine itself. It comes with a double container for the coffee. Also comes with a single. There's a little lock over here that allows you to remove it. More coffee, less coffee. This goes into this handle, turns around. Also you get a little scoop that's specifically designed so you could compress the coffee. Here in the back you have the reservoir for the water. Also there is a little plug here at the bottom that needs to be removed before ready to use. Once plugged in, there is an on-off button over here on the side. The machine turns on. At this point it's warming up, that's why it's blinking. When they're solid, it's ready to be used. This scoop is perfect for 1 cup. You add it in here and then it's recommended to compress it with this part of the handle. This cartridge is ready to be loaded. So this loads at the bottom this way, and then you have to push it hard towards the locked position. You're ready to put a cup under. So a small cup like this is enough for 1 cup. The espresso cup, it's pretty strong, so that's something that you should know. The machine is ready. All you have to do is push the button and disperse. And here's your cup of coffee. This is an espresso. If you drink like this, it's pretty strong, but you could make it long if you like it long. I like my coffee with milk, and I like to steam the milk. So the process is pretty simple. You just push this button, and right now the machine is ready to steam the milk. Before you use it, they recommend so you could release the water out of it, and they recommend to run it for about 10 seconds. At this point, you're ready to put your cup in. The nozzle has to go inside the milk. Turn the vial slowly. And you could adjust everything from this little knob over here. At this point, you're ready to put your cup of coffee on top. Mix it together. Now you have an espresso, but it's just milk coffee. It's really good. Extremely easy. All you have to do is just remove this. And then you have everything contained in here. Careful, it's hot, but all you have to do is just align it, and then it comes out. And this can be washed in a sink. Also, this nozzle needs to be cleaned. Once you use it with a paper towel that is wet, it's much easier to clean than let it sit, because if you let it sit, it dries out. After a while, it's a lot harder to clean. So this works great. And also you could push it back in or just leave it out. So if you like your coffee with milk, or you just like a little strong cup of coffee, this will definitely do it. They also recommend the manual, not to leave the machine on all the time. So once you're done with it, just press the red button, turn itself off. It only takes a couple of seconds to warm up the water for a cup of coffee. I hope this video is helpful for you. Get yours today. Check the link in description below and elevate your coffee game.